Today we're going to be talking about something called resonance. What is that? I'm sure we've heard that term a lot in the singing community. You want your voice to be resonant. But do you actually know what that means? Well, let's explore. Resonance is the use and manipulation of air in the space in your vocal tract. So if you call back to the vocal cord episode, when the sound wave was walking through the vocal tract like, hey, what's going on? I see you, player. It's taking everything from those cavities and making it its own. But still, what does that mean? To me, resonance is kind of like a total transformation makeover on Queer Eye for the Straight Guy. Kind of like an Instagram filter for your voice. Or you know when you Photoshop, you make your butt look bigger and the door behind you warps? Resonance is basically a vocal glow up. It serves to enhance phonation in two ways. By quality, also known as timbre or tone, and intensity, which is volume. Now, all this happens as it passes through the vocal tract on its way to the outside world and into your head top. So the human body has a few resonant chambers, such as the larynx, the pharynx, the nasal cavity, and the oral cavity. So besides the obvious reasons, which are tone and intensity, resonance is so important for vocal stamina and health. Use the air in your resonant cavities to mitigate strain and stress on your vocal cords, which will allow you to sing for hours without vocal fatigue. When I was on tour, I relied heavily on my resonance to be able to sing 6 days a week and not hit wrong notes and not be vocally fatigued. Remember this, air doesn't get tired, but your vocal cords do. Now, with all this information, I'm sure you're still wondering, well, how do I know if I'm resonating? How do I know if I'm in a resonant cavity?
Let's get started. Let's do an exercise that will help us feel resonance and the movement of air throughout our vocal tract. Step 1, drop your jaw to a relaxed open position, but don't swallow any flies. Step 2, open your throat with a big yawn. Place 2 fingers on your Adam's apple to feel the difference. Step 3, take a deep breath from your mouth down into your core. On the inhale, you'll feel cool air pour into your throat, down into your core. And on the exhale, you'll feel warm air move up your windpipe and out of your mouth. If you've done this correctly, you've successfully opened up your resonant vocal tract airway. To feel even more openness, tilt your head backwards and repeat steps 1 through 3. Now let's add sound. Sing out on an open ah in the middle of your range. Take note of the vibrations in your throat. You should feel a buzz. Lastly, place your sound in different areas and take a mental note of the differences in sound quality and where you're feeling vibrations. Keep playing around until you get the quality that you want. And that is the beginning of how you can find vocal resonance. If you liked what you saw today, remember, subscribe, hit a like. I'll see you later. Bye!